In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact PayPal customer support, whether you're dealing with a payment issue, an account limitation, or you just have a question about a recent transaction. Knowing how to reach PayPal directly can save you a lot of time and stress. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your computer or mobile browser. First, open your browser and go to your PayPal dashboard. You can do this by signing into your PayPal account as you normally would. Once you're logged in, you should land on your account summary or main dashboard page, where you can see your balance and recent activity. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, because support will be based on the account you're currently using. From your dashboard, look for the Help option. This is usually found at the top or bottom of the page, often in the main menu or footer area. Click on Help. This will take you to PayPal's Help Center, where you'll see common topics, FAQs, and other support resources. On the Help page, find and click on Contact Us. This is the dedicated section for getting in touch with PayPal's support team. It may appear as a button or a link, and it's often highlighted because it's one of the main ways to reach them. Once you're on the Contact Us page, you'll see that you have two main options to get support from PayPal. The first option is to call them, and the second option is to send them a message through their secure messaging system. If you choose the Call Us option, click on it. PayPal will generate a one-time code for you. This code usually expires in about 10 minutes and is used to help the support agent quickly find your account and verify your details. You'll also see the phone number you need to dial displayed right below the code. Keep this page open while you place the call, and have your code ready when the automated system or agent asks for it. If you prefer not to call, you can click on Message Us instead. When you choose this option, a chat window will appear on your screen. In this chat box, type a clear and concise description of your issue or question. You might start with the type of problem you're having, like a payment not going through or an unauthorized transaction. After you submit your message, you'll be connected to a human customer service representative shortly. Sometimes an automated assistant might respond first, but you can continue the conversation until a real person